ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was here, within this move, we mentioned we expect the price to drop. This is what we get. Now we want to see whether there is a continuation with the breakout of this low or not, and how deep this one can go, because we mentioned we're looking for this correction and we want the price to break here this low before we look for reversal. Okay, now we want to see whether we can get this one as the first move correction, and this is the one is going to retest this low. Okay, because based on what we have right now, we're looking at this flat. Sorry. Okay, we're looking at this flat. The only times this one become more complex if the price whether test this, I mean the lowest price here or not. I mean, if the price reverse, maybe this one turn to a more complex correction. Okay, in this case, we move to higher time frame. We see how we can trade. If we move to daily chart, as we can see, we have correction here. We want to see how deep this one correction can be before we get the next move to break the previous top. Okay, and now we move to forward chart. You see how we can trade based on forward chart. In our analysis, we mentioned that we're putting this correction in relative to this. That's why we're expecting the price to drop, give us one more drop, and we were expecting the price to break out this low, which is this low. I mean, the price we're looking 1705, and we mentioned if there is a continuation, the next level 1642 with continuation with 1562. This is what we're looking for, but the most things we're looking for the price to break the lowest price based on this correction, and we want the price to take 1642. Okay, now the thing is whether this one, if because if this there is a continuation from here is good for us. If there is a reversal, then this correction become more complex. And now if we move to lower time frame, actually right now we are not looking for sell. We want the price to drop, then from there any reversal we look for buy. Okay, the best things is again the price to break, continue and break this low, because we have been looking for this correction. By the way, if the price drop a bit more, it couldn't break this low, any reversal we can look for buy if we get with the sharp move like. Okay, because we mentioned maybe this one can turn to a more complex correction before we get the one move down. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. We want to see how deep this one can go. If the price broke this low, any reversal we can look for buy, but if the price drop a bit more, we see correcting. Also, if we get a reversal, we can look for buy, but will be short term buy. The best things we are looking for the price to break again 1705. Then we want to see how deep this one can go. We were expecting if there is a breakout of 1705, the next we're looking for is 16242. Okay, 1642. But right now we don't have any trade set up. We are not looking for sell. We're looking for the price to drop. Then from there, any reversal we can look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up right now. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.